Hey you guys. Okay, I don't know if you guys have ever had the problem of getting a smell out of your clothes, like gym clothes, your kids' clothes, husband's clothes, wife's clothes, whatever it is. Sometimes you just can't get the stink out. I've been trying for a couple of years now to get our gym clothes to not stink. And a friend of mine recommended, a couple friends of mine recommended us doing this. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. Okay, so I literally just turned the water off, but what I did was, this is a fun combo. Half a cup of this washing soda, half a cup of Thieves laundry detergent, and 4 capfuls of this Thieves household cleaner. Put it all into hot water. I put all of our clothes in. Well, most of our clothes and our towels, because we can't get the towel stink out either. So we're gonna let this sit for 3 to 4 hours and I will show you guys what happens next. All right, it's been 3 hours. We're gonna use this lovely crutch that we have. Kind of spin it around. Ooh, that's nasty looking. That's gross. I feel like I'm doing a science experiment. Oh, it stinks too. Interesting. Okay. It's been 3 hours, so I'm gonna take them out and I'll show you the results in a second. Here we are. That took me 30 minutes to get everything hung up or put back into the washer so it would like spin dry. And then I'm gonna dry the rest of it. But that is disgusting. We do wear a lot of dark clothing. So I think partial grossness, I'm like so out of breath from wringing laundry. This is crazy. But I think some of that is dye, but honestly, it stinks. So I'm very excited to see how everything smells afterwards. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that. I will put that at the end of this video.